Hi boys and girls, I'm going to read you a story today called Rain. Do you know where rain comes from? Rain falls from the clouds in the sky. Rainwater collects in puddles, ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Do you know that over half of the world is covered by water all of the time? Warmth from the sun makes the water change into an invisible gas called water vapor. The vapor rises into the sky. The vapor moves higher and higher. When the air gets very cold, this invisible mist turns into millions of tiny droplets of water. The droplets stay in the air and they form a cloud. Inside the clouds, the droplets bump into each other and they join together. They get bigger and bigger, and when they are too heavy to be held up by the air, they fall as raindrops. So they stay up in the clouds until they get too heavy and then they come down. The rain soaks into the ground. Plants drink the water through their roots. This helps them to grow leaves and flowers, and without rain there would be no plants. Sometimes huge, dark clouds crowd together overhead, and suddenly the day turns stormy. Raindrops inside the storm clouds carry electricity. When this electricity escapes, giant sparks called lightning flash across the sky. Lightning jumps from the clouds to the earth faster than we can blink. That's pretty speedy. Lightning makes the air so hot that it explodes with a terrific crack, boom. This is called thunder. Lightning and thunder happen at the same time. When things are a long way away, you can see them before you can hear them. So first you see the flash of lightning, and then you hear the loud boom of thunder. Count the seconds between the flashes of lightning and the crashes of thunder. If you count less each time, the storm is coming nearer. 1, 2, 3. If you count more each time, the storm is going away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The storm has gone away. Sunshine warms the water. Do you know what happens next? It's the same as the beginning of the story. It cycles all the way around. So let's do a little bear review. The warmth from the sun changes water into an invisible gas. Do you remember what it was called? Water vapor. Good. The vapor rises into the sky and it turns into millions of water droplets. These form a cloud. The water droplets join together and they get bigger and bigger. And when they become too big and heavy, what happens? They fall from the sky as raindrops. Good. Hope you enjoyed learning about rain. Bye.